Hey, I'm Ron Magill, and I'm proud to serve as an eco-ambassador for Earth Week Miami. You know, there are things you can do every day to help protect our environment. From what you buy, making sure you're trying to buy things that are, eco-friendly, environmentally friendly, limiting your use of single-use plastics, recycling, composting, taking shorter showers, conserving water. Don't let that water run the entire time you're brushing your teeth. These are simple things that you can do every day. If you want to help animals, you want to help organizations that are doing a great job protecting our native wildlife, up in the northern end of Miami-Dade County, you have Pelican Harbor Seabird Station. This is an organization that does incredible work in rescuing, rehabilitating native wildlife to get it back into the wild. Same thing in the southern end of the county with an organization called Wildlife Rescue of Dade County. They do the same type of work. Support these organizations. You want to support helping our native wildlife. If you want to support what I do, I have the Ron Magill Conservation Endowment. I established that endowment to protect animals in the wild where they belong. None of that money goes to here at the zoo. It only goes to protecting animals in the wild. It also goes to providing scholarships for students who have dedicated their career into wildlife conservation. If you want to donate to that, it's a tax-deductible donation. You can go to my website, www.ronmagill.com, and just hit the donate button. It'll give you all the background about the Conservation Endowment. Bottom line is, do what you can. Every day should be Earth Day. There's an old saying that says, in the end, we protect what we love what we understand, and we understand what we're taught. So teach yourselves about this incredible environment. And there's another saying that says, we haven't inherited this earth from our parents, we're borrowing it from our children. Let's protect it. Let's be good stewards for those future generations. Thank you.